The evolution of scientific practices from alchemy to chemistry represents a significant shift in how we understand and investigate the natural world. Alchemy, which originated in ancient times, was a precursor to modern chemistry but differed in its goals, methods, and philosophical underpinnings. Let's explore the key aspects of this evolution. Goals and objectives. Alchemy. Alchemists aimed to transform base metals into noble metals like gold or silver and sought to discover the mythical philosopher's stone, which was believed to grant immortality and possess incredible transformative powers. Chemistry. Chemistry shifted its focus to understanding the fundamental properties of matter, the behavior of substances, and the interactions between atoms and molecules. The objective became the pursuit of knowledge rather than elusive transformations. Methodology. Alchemy. Alchemy employed a combination of experimental practices, symbolic language, and philosophical concepts. Experimentation was often conducted in secrecy and involved various mystical or spiritual rituals. Alchemists relied on trial and error, observation, and the development of practical techniques such as distillation and sublimation. Chemistry. Chemistry embraced a more systematic and rigorous approach to experimentation. The scientific method became the cornerstone, emphasizing empirical observation, controlled experiments, and reproducibility. Quantitative measurements and mathematical analysis gained importance, enabling scientists to formulate laws and theories. Philosophical framework. Alchemy. Alchemy was intertwined with spiritual and mystical beliefs, including the idea of a universal interconnectedness between the macrocosm, the universe, and the microcosm, the individual. Alchemists sought to uncover hidden correspondences between the physical and the spiritual realms. Chemistry. Chemistry progressively distanced itself from mystical and spiritual beliefs, aiming to provide explanations based on observable phenomena and natural laws. The emphasis shifted towards understanding matter's composition, structure, and behavior, independent of metaphysical considerations. Advances in knowledge and concepts. Alchemy. Alchemy contributed to the development of practical techniques such as distillation, filtration, and crystallization. While alchemists were unable to achieve their mythical goals, their work laid the foundation for later chemical discoveries. Chemistry. Chemistry expanded its knowledge base significantly. Major breakthroughs included Antoine Lavoisier's discovery of the conservation of mass and his formulation of the law of definite proportions, John Dalton's atomic theory, and Dmitri Mendeleev's development of the periodic table. These advancements revolutionized our understanding of matter. Integration with other scientific disciplines. Alchemy. Alchemy had strong ties to other fields, including astrology, medicine, and metallurgy. These interdisciplinary connections reflected the broader worldview of the time, where various domains of knowledge were interwoven. Chemistry. Chemistry gradually became a distinct scientific discipline, focusing primarily on matter and its properties. While it maintains interdisciplinary connections, such as with physics and biology, it became more specialized and developed its unique body of knowledge and methodologies. The evolution from alchemy to chemistry reflects a transition from speculative and metaphysical thinking to evidence-based empirical investigation. Chemistry emerged as a rigorous scientific discipline, grounded in observation, experimentation, and logical reasoning. Through centuries of progress, chemistry has played a pivotal role in technological advancements, pharmaceutical development, materials science, and our overall understanding of the natural world.